Well, Sivat sir is also connected with us. Sir, what do you make of these pictures that are now coming in? The mastermind of Pahalgam terror attack is now being seen at a public rally. He's been heaping praises on those terrorists as well, Major General Sivat, as far as when it comes to those terrorists who carried out this cowardly attack.
You know, as far as state and non-state actors, what Pakistan keep on talking earlier is not there. India has now made it very clear that Pakistan army and terrorists is same. Because if you see that even the terrorists which were killed in Bawalpur, their funeral was attended by senior army officers. And now you can see it that the senior officers again seen with Tala Saeed, the son of Hafiz Saeed. So things are very clear. They are hand in gloves. Actually, Pakistan is a hub center of terrorism. These people are created by Pakistan army only. They are trained, they are motivated, they are financed, and then they are sent to basically toward India, and or they are sent toward Iran also. Jaish al-Adil Sunni militant group. So the thing are very clear as far as Pakistan is concerned. Pakistan will not stop sponsoring terrorism. It will bleed India with 1,000 cuts. There is no denying this fact. And we need to expose Pakistan now the way we are doing. Our 7 delegations are gone all around the world. And diplomatically, we are trying to isolate. Financial Action Task Force must put Pakistan into a grey list. United Nations Security Council should declare Pakistan as a terrorist state. Because otherwise, you will not find terrorist activities reducing in this part of the world, because Pakistan is not going to change. And you remember when in 2013, Hillary Clinton, when she came to Pakistan, she told them that if you have snakes in your courtyard and you think it will only bite your neighbor, one day it will bite you. And today when Pakistan says they themselves are victim of terrorism, who created this terrorism in first place? It's all created by Pakistan. But unfortunately, Pakistan now have always treat good and bad terrorists separately. The terrorists which are sending toward India, Lashkar-e-Toba, Jaish Mohammed, it calls them.
Well, eventually they will have to face the brunt of it, of fostering terrorism on their soil. Thank you very much, Major General Sivat sir, for your point of view. Coming back to you, Priyank, because that was a statement and a big one that was recently made by the Prime Minister himself, where he had called on the youth of Pakistan so that they know and they identify when it comes to the true face of the Pakistani army and of the Pakistani government. But what we are looking at, that how Pakistani army and when it comes to the government and their intel, how they have been allowing such kind of terrorism who are designated, globally designated terrorists as well, including that of the mastermind of the Pahalgam terror attack, who are seen out in the open, attending a public rally. And here is their position wherein Pakistan's Punjab, that top Lashkar terrorists who gathered at one place post-operation Sindoor, and retired Major General Dhruv Katoj is also connected with us. So what do you make of these pictures? In these pictures that we can see that Tala Saeed, the son of UN designated terrorist Hafiz Saeed, is there. Saifullah Kasuri, the deputy chief of Lashkar-e-Taiba, is there. He's been in hiding since Pahalgam terror attack. But it seems that Pakistan is opening its arms, welcoming them as far as holding this public rally in Punjab, in Pakistan's Punjab.
Yes, absolutely. I've actually had a look at those photographs, and I'm quite horrified at the way the Pakistan military now and the political establishment is giving support to the terrorist groups. Earlier, this was being done covertly, but now it is absolutely open support. And I think now is the time that India must put a lot of pressure on the world body so that we can get Pakistan back to the FATF grey list or the blacklist for their direct support to terrorists.
Absolutely, sir, and that needs to be done. We have seen the kind of military strikes that are being carried out, diplomatic level strikes and financial strikes that also be needed to be carried out on Pakistan. Thank you very much, sir, for your point of view.